Eze-Enwa-Gbaganu-Oha of Obio. Obio-Akpor. Because in Toruna, America.
Let me, on behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely congratulate OCJ Okocha. This honor is well deserved. For me, it ought to have been done before now. Not even Obio alone, but entire Ikore ethnic nationality. I align myself with what the chairman said. The problem we have with our chieftaincy institution, sometimes you don't even know where to go and bring chiefs and give them title. You don't even know. If you watch television, you see somebody has been named this. You don't even know the background. What is the contribution of the person to the community, to the kingdom, to the local government? You don't even know what he or she has contributed. I was one of those OCJ consulted that, look, I said, you don't even need to seek permission. It is an honor well deserved. You have contributed to the development of not only Obio, Obio-Akpor, Ikore ethnic nationality, and River State and Nigeria. And so all of us will be there to celebrate with you and your family. So he's a man who's been supporting government. He's one of the greatest supporters we have in this administration. There's nothing we do that he has not given us support. I'm not talking about even the party level, but as an elder statesman, as one of the leaders in the state, you can see he means well for the state. He contributes, he advises on the way forward.
Thank you, sir. So let me thank you all. Let me thank you all. It is an honor which I cherish very much. But today, my people have honored me, and I cannot but thank them for this honor. I will try to carry myself with respect and the honor that will dignify this office.